Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm here to show you how to make that animated GIF banner that you see on my Google Classroom. Now, some of you may be a GIF person. Some of you may be a GIF person. I'm a GIF person. It doesn't really matter. You want to know how to do it. It looks really cool, so let's get started. Okay, here I am inside Google Slides. I opened up a blank, untitled document, and I'm going to go ahead and remove these boxes. I'm going to rename this Google Classroom Banner. Right, I have to change my paper size, so I'm going to go to File, Page Setup, choose Custom. From Custom, you have to change it to pixels, and then change the amount to 1000 by 250. Now you notice it goes banner size. All right. Next, I want to put my Bitmoji, so I'm using my Bitmoji plugin. I'm going to move this down here, and I just want to use this neat little apple. I'm just going to drag this Bitmoji of me waving hello with an apple, coming out of an apple for teacher. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, okay? And I'm saying hi. So now I want to add a call out. So I'm going to choose the oval speech bubble, and I'm just going to make that kind of big, but I need to move the call out so it is right here next to me. Okay, so I'm just going to center it up a little bit to get it to where I like it. I like this speech bubble, but I really want it to be a little bit thicker, so I'm going to change it to a little bit thicker. I'm going to maybe make it a black outer line, make it a little bit thicker. And now I want to put some words in there. So I'm just going to use the text tool, and I'm going to type hello exclamation point. That's all I wanted to say. And I'm going to change my font. I really like the way Oswald looks. I'm going to make it about 100. Nice and big. Okay, I'm going to move this in a little bit. Whoopsie. And let's drag it up so it's nice and in the center. Pretty simple. Hello. I can actually make this a tiny bit smaller. I don't need all that space over there. But yeah, that looks good for my banner. Now, here comes the tricky part. Since I have it the way that I want it to look at, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this second slide. Okay? And I know there are HELLO exclamation point. There are 6 letters to include punctuation in my word. So I know I need to make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so for the first one, I'm going to get it out. Delete every single part of the word. Then I'm going to leave the HE. Then I'm going to leave the HEL. Then I'm going to leave the HELL. Then I'm going to leave the HELLO. Then I'm going to leave the question mark. Simple. Simple Bitmoji, hello with a speech bubble, and now I'm going to take my design, my Google Classroom banner, and now that it's finished, I like to put the word final out in front of it, so I know that's the one I want to use. I'm going to go over to a website called Tall Tweets. So here I am at Tall Tweets. It's going to ask you to log in with your Google account, so that's what I did. I went ahead and logged in with my Google account, and then it's going to say, select your presentation, okay, to turn your Google Slides into a GIF presentation and tweet. Select presentation. Here it is here. Loading. It's working. And here it is. Create the GIF. GIF created. And let's save it and take a look at it. There it is. All right, I like the way that looks. Okay, now we have our super fun animated GIF, and now we're ready to put it on our classroom banner. Let's do it. Okay, I'm in my classroom, and we are going to edit the banner. Nope, this way. Edit the banner right here. As you can see, my Ed Tech at HWS, I'm simply going to click on Upload Photo, And from here, I can select the photo that I just created. I'm going to just drop it in there. And it's changing. And there it is. Voila. So now I have my animated GIF banner. Now, if I were to do this again, I would probably go back into my Google Slides and maybe move everything over a tad, because I would want my hello to be further down so that my Bitmoji inside the apple isn't as hidden by the words as much. But it's okay the way that it is. No matter what, you're always going to have that weird sort of overlay over the banner, so it's always going to look a little bit fuzzy, if you will, but that's just because all of the important information that has to go on the banner. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I can't wait to check out your Bitmoji banners. If you changed your Bitmoji, your animated banner, retake. If you changed your Google Classroom banner into an animated GIF banner using this technique, let me know. I want to check it out. Bye.